Right, YouTube. So since it's been raining loads at the moment, I've noticed that I keep getting little puddles in the engine bay, namely on where the oil filler cap is, where the front view bolts are for the rocker cover, the positive terminal on the battery, because mine's relocated, and on the top of the intake manifold. I think it's because I've put bonnet struts, or a bonnet strut on the car. I think since I did that, I think it pushed the bonnet up at the front where it meets the sort of the windscreen. So when I've been shutting the bonnet, I've been making sure I push it down at the end nearest the windscreen, but I think it's still slightly raised. I think water might be getting in between this seal, which sort of runs the width of the car. I think it might be getting over the top of that. So what I'm going to have a go at is if I can, well, you better see that. So the little channel on that, I'm going to try and put something that runs along the length of that, which will hopefully push the seal up slightly and stop that. Well, that's the plan anyway. I'll give it a go. I'm just going to try a bit of this electrical wire. So hopefully this rubber seal will sit up slightly higher now and stop the water being able to come over the top. It'll be about the only time I'm actually wanting it to rain, so I can see if it works. Right, so it's been raining constantly for well over a week, so it's probably a good time to check, see if that fix has worked. Dun dun dun, moment of truth. Hey, no water, awesome. So there we are, guys, it worked. No more puddles in the engine bay. Just did a little quick video. I thought I might as well just do it in case someone else is having the same issue. And they're trying to do a little simple fix to sort it out. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, hit the all notifications bell, check a comment down below, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.